Morning, lovies. Who is not loving this cold, cold Florida weather? Like, I'm totally in love with it. I wish it would be like this all year long. I always say I was not meant to live here in Florida. I was not. I was meant to be in snow. I want to go play in snow. Like, I'm seeing all these pictures on Facebook and stuff like that. I want to be in snow. Anyway, I am enjoying it. I am absolutely loving it. I think I'm getting a cold because of it. Then again, I've heard like in the past, like you don't get sick from weather. You get sick from like germs in the weather. I don't know, but it got cold and I got sick. So I got sick from the cold. Because no, I haven't been out of the house. I have been stuck here working. So I know I haven't been around germs. So I got sick from the cold. So that's not true. Anybody wondering? So anyway, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're all sticking to your New Year's resolutions. Personally, again, I mentioned it before, I didn't make any. I didn't. I should have, but I didn't. And let's get into this because I was doing a blog post on my website, chrissydreadlocks.com, for anyone that's interested about this affiliate marketing thing. And I told you guys that I was going to wait until, you know, I got like, I started seeing like good profits from it and so on and so forth. So after making that video, I thought to myself, why? You know, like, why should I wait? Why shouldn't I tell you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly, everything involved in it, everything that it takes to get to that point of being profitable? Because when you look on, like, I love the people I watch. Like, I love the people I watch on YouTube, don't get me wrong. Every bit of information that I've gotten has been from people posting. Now, with that said, they're already over the hump on the other side. And they've made it, you know? What about us that haven't gotten there yet? And I get that they give you like tips and stuff like that on what to do, but I want to see someone where I am now do a series of how they got to where they are. Because when you get to where you are, I don't care how informative you are in your tutorials and stuff like that, chances are you don't remember exactly everything that it took to get you there. So that's where I'm going to come in. I am going to tell you guys everything. For example, my first, or actually I think it's my second blog, my second affiliate marketing blog on chrissydreadlocks.com is about making a website. Now, I made the mistake of doing probably about 3 months of research, maybe a little bit less, but I started researching affiliate marketing long before I decided I was going to build a website. My mistake, my bad. That's a good tip to you guys. Do it now. It takes a long time for your website, you know, to be crawled and come up on Google and Bing and stuff like that. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it out there, design it, start your name. I put a couple of suggestions on there, Wix, CityMaker, and I put links to them in my blog so that you could see the difference. For example, if you're doing like landing pages and stuff like that, you're probably better off going with Wix because they do have free site options. So anyway, you'll read more about that. Go to my blog and you'll see like the difference between the two and why you should choose one or the other, but just do it. Because here I am, you know, and my website is just now like starting to show up a little bit, and I could have had that taken care of a while back when I first thought of this. So do that guys, get that done. And my other thing that I'm going to be going into in my next blog is my Facebook. Let me just tell you what, I'm having a hard time talking because I want to cough, but I don't want to cough, you know, like all over you guys and stuff. That's gross. Let me just tell you with my Facebook, I'll go deeper into it, you know, and what I did to get out of it. Facebook is so strict when it comes to affiliate marketing. so strict. I can't even count how many Facebook pages I've tried, and all of them just banned me from making, you know, from ads, from even paid ads. They don't want my money. Like, they don't want it. They're like, no, you know, screw you. We don't want your money. So I'm going to make a blog and a video about that with a few tips and tricks, because that's also where I stumbled. And yeah, so I'm going to keep you guys in the loop. I'm not going to wait until I make it, you know, and then be like, oh yeah, you know, this is what I did to get here. No, you're going to hear, like, starting from scratch, like everything I'm going through to try and make this happen. Because there's a lot of downfalls, and there's a lot of mistakes that you make along the way, and you know, some people that have made it forget about those little things, and I want them to be fresh on my mind. So make sure you check back. Read my blog, and you know, I'll put updates on there, you know, little tips and tricks of how I got past, you know, the roadblocks, I guess you could call, that's a good word, roadblocks. And that's it for that. So other than that, I do hope you guys have a really good day. I was supposed to be off yesterday, but I decided I would work and try and get some hours because I need the money. Doesn't everybody? Anyway, I hope your 2018 is going very well so far. I know it's going to be a better year. I can feel it. I can feel it. I hope you guys can too. I had to laugh because my daughter came in yesterday about this whole gas pumping thing for Oregon. And I had seen something that came up on Facebook. I couldn't even tell you where it was or who it was from, but it said something, I'm worried the hooligans are going to get me, like when I'm pumping my own gas. Yeah. There's a bunch of stuff and posts out there about that, but I had to laugh because they're like literally scared about pumping their own gas. And I'm thinking to myself, I've been doing it since I was 15. So I don't understand. I didn't even know that they weren't allowed, like they're not allowed to pump their own gas. But yeah, they weren't allowed to pump their own gas. See, this is what living in a small town does. You have no idea what's going on in the world around you. So I had no idea that they weren't allowed. Yeah, that was kind of shocking. I had to laugh at that because they're having a lot of trouble over there. I do hope you guys have a good day, and I will get in touch with you soon. Again, go over to my blog on chrissydreadlocks.com, read up on that, and I will be posting more about my lovely little mistakes that I've made along the way. But the first one, if you're gonna get into affiliate marketing, go to my website, get those links, and get started now. That's the first thing that you should be doing. Get it out there so that your website is, you know, searchable once you get everything going and stuff like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, just get it out there. I'm gonna go cough now. Have a good day, guys.